how to set a tire rotation reminder on Mitsubishi Outlander. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the instrument cluster. You can navigate here by using those arrows left and right and confirm options by pressing the OK button. Alright, so if you know the basics, let's go to your instrument cluster. So let me make it bigger for you, as you can see right here. Now let's use those arrows and let's find here the settings. Press OK to confirm it and scroll down to see here the maintenance, as you can see, and here let's scroll down to choose tire. So this menu lets you set a custom mileage countdown tracker for your tires. It reminds you when it is time to rotate your tires or check their condition to make them last longer. Once you switch or rotate your tires, you can select reset to clear the reminder and start fresh countdown. So it's quite simple. So now if you here press the OK button, you can set the reminder, as you can see right here. And if you would like to reset it, you just tap reset. Let me just check it out. Okay, let's set it up on 1000 kilometer, press reset. And that's it, you just reset the kilometers. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave a thumbs up.